We talk a lot on this channel about different curriculum choices, and today I have a great idea of what you can use in your history this upcoming homeschool year. Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I want to share with you one of the books that we are using in history for our homeschool year, and that is the Tuttle Twins American History Part 2. This is their newest release, and we're gonna talk a little bit about them now. So many of you guys have heard of the Tuttle Twins, but some of you guys haven't. For those of you who haven't, the Tuttle Twins write books to teach laws about freedom in a way that children can understand. They sell books, curriculum, and card games to teach kids about entrepreneurship, sound money, the golden rule, individual rights, and dangers of socialism, and so much more. They pride themselves on teaching concepts that aren't being taught in schools. But the Tuttle Twins teaches these kinds of ideas in fun stories so that the kids can easily understand them. And today I'm gonna give you a peek inside their newest book, American History Volume 2. These American history books are unlike any other. Where other American history books focus on what happened, the Tuttle Twins history books focuses on why they happened. You're following two characters called Ethan and Emily through a series of stories that share the inspiring events and powerful ideas behind the founding of America. The purpose is to teach freedom-loving families about America's history so that we can create a better future for our children together. Volume 2 continues the adventure of American history with some really exciting events happening in 1776 and beyond. This book covers the Revolutionary War, the creation of the Constitution, and the ratification of the Bill of Rights. It goes beyond the superficial history tidbits found in other history books for kids, and it helps little ones in your life learn more deeply from the ideas of America's founding. While most history books talk about boring facts and superficial facts like names and dates and places and battles, the Tuttle Twin books helps young readers to understand the history more deeply by immersing them in the stories surrounding the events. Your basic school textbooks gloss over the Founding Fathers' ideas that revolutionized America and the world, whereas the Tuttle Twins teaches the inspiring ideas of America's founding and how those ideas are relevant to their lives today. While other history books don't help young readers understand why what happened 250 years ago is relevant in our world today, the Tuttle Twins challenges your children to learn from the past and apply those ideas to our world. These books are filled with examples of how the lessons are relevant to us today. They're really enjoyable to read as a family and turn history into an engaging story for children of all ages. The way we are using this book this homeschool year is in our morning time basket. So after we do our Bible lesson together, we are going to read some pages of this every day to both my 3rd grader and to my 7th grader. So they're both going to be getting some real history throughout the school year. I'm going to post a link in the description below of where you guys can find the Tuttle Twins American History Volume 1 and 2, along with a lot of their other books. Make sure you check out their website if you've never read any of the books. I highly recommend them. I want to thank Tuttle Twins for working together to send me this book, and I am so excited to use it. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for how we are going to be using this book in my day in the life videos, but for now I just wanted to take you a sneak peek inside of it. I will see you guys in the next video.